Hello, I'm Doug Escribano with the Watch Department at Christie's, and we're going to discuss today two very important, fine, rare Patek Philippe pocket watches. The first watch is lot number 67 from the December 16th New York watch sale. It's a fine and impressive minute repeating perpetual calendar 2-train trip repeater. Auction estimate is $250,000 to $350,000. Quite unusual having the retailer signature on as well, Tiffany & Company, as well as the straight line calendar as opposed to having the subsidiary dials for day, date, and month. The watch itself has been recently serviced by Patek Philippe and is in very nice overall condition. Rather than having a slide repeat through the band, the watch is actually activated through the repeat function in the crown. Now repeat it. The second watch is lot number 72 from the December 16th sale of important watches at Christie's. It is a grand complicated Patek Philippe pocket watch, more complicated than the first one we looked at, and is also a modern piece. Lot number 67, which was the first lot, was from 1956. This piece was manufactured in 1990. In addition to having the perpetual calendar and repeat function, it is also a grand and petite sonnerie clock watch with split seconds and moon phase. Very nice overall condition, big heavy case, lovely and extremely rare. It's a reference 939. There's your movement and a lovely chime as well. Hopefully you'll come down to see both of these pieces as well as all the other modern and vintage wristwatches and pocket watches at Christie's with a sale on December 16th. Thank you.